100% on our way to the moon.
Moon trains on point, we're in the groove, trading like a symphony.
The Dow is over $50,000. I don't know why you're laughing. You're a great stock trader.
We're on the moon train.
Then we watched you guys land on the moon.
This is how you become a day trader.
All right, guys, crazy day. In case you missed it, huge sell again and a bounce into close, and we're fading again. No one really knows what will transpire. Could this be a low? It could be a low. SPX closed the gap, pierced the Bollinger Band. Interesting spot to bounce off of right there. We hit a bunch of targets. We have one down there still, and then obviously the FOMC announcement price, which is coming up next week. So very interesting. We have CPI pre-market now. Surprisingly, the NAMA was not down, it's actually up. So will the NAMA want to get a third sell, which will be pretty violent, to put in a double bottom, or will we bounce from here, is the $1,000, $10,000, $100,000 and $1 million question.
Order filled.
All right, that's what we're waiting to see here. A lot of pretty crazy action. I mean, we can predict all we want, but this market is basically us trying to react. We did close above Friday's close, but I would say if this breaks here, QQQ here, if it breaks, it gets ugly. At the same time, we still have this ghost here. Seems far away, but as Justin posted in the and Todd in the chat, based off of this guy here, you do have a chance of a recovery here soon. Obviously you need to time it right. Yesterday, I mean, some zero DT is paid immensely. I tried some QQQ, they closed green, but I'm 95% cash, because until this settles into a rhythm, whatever this current version of the market is, we have to be careful. But nevertheless, I mean, I think me and Todd we were trying to buy the dip here, because we had 1, 2, 3 sells, and then it undercut it still by like $10 and massive ripper rally. So overnight we probably go test here, and then we'll see what that narrative is with the CPI report. Full moon on Monday, I believe, and the IPO goes live on Friday, options on Tuesday. So lots going on. You also have ECB's projected rate cut on Thursday. Same thing with Bank of Japan. I believe early next week, right? I thought I saw it. Yeah, here. So lots of craziness going on right now. As far as tomorrow, it still looks like we will revisit 727 unless you manage to gap over 740 and you start ripping straight higher. I do think with this volatility you can go back down here and then bounce here, so we'll keep an eye on it. The VIX1D pierced the Bollinger again, as did the VIX on the daily as well. Huge spikes. Be very careful. No joke. Banks didn't really participate that much, I guess $5, but it was more so a tech rotation. They are buying dark pool on QQQ. They came in at the end with SPY. that was a huge MOC, but I don't know if that will if that was just a wall into the close, because it sure looks like it was just a wall into the close that has now completely faded almost. I'm talking about that. I mean, that was a huge move on QQQ from 702. That was a $7 QQQ move in the last 5 minutes. So definitely don't trust this market. With that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Let's see if we can snipe some extremes.
We're